We're going to take it from the top, okay? Foot bones, phalanges, metatarsals, tarsals, heel bone, calcaneus, the bone in the tip of your shin, tibia, the lateral bone to the tibia, the lateral bone with the L is fibula, kneecaps are patella, proximal bone in your leg is your thigh bone or your femur. You have the lateral bump on your proximal thigh bone is the greater trochanter. The large flat bone that makes up your posterior pelvis is the ilium, and on the top ridge of the ilium is called the iliac crest. Your sit bone is called the ischium, and the bump on the ischium is called the ischial tuberosity. Your pubic bone's your pubis or your pubic bone. Working on the spinal column, your tailbone is the coccyx. Superior to your coccyx is the sacrum. Then you have the 3 kinds of vertebra, 5 lumbar vertebra, 12 thoracic vertebra, and 7 cervical vertebra. You have a bump on every vertebra that sticks out to the back, which is called the spinous process. You have a bump, 2 bumps on every vertebrae that stick out to the sides called the transverse process. Your most superior vertebra is your axis, also called C1, and just inferior to C1 is C2, also called your axis. Did I say atlas? I hope I said atlas. The base of your skull is called your occipital ridge. The bump just behind your earlobe is called your mastoid process. Your lower jawbone is called your mandible. Yeah? Okay. Shoo! Your collarbone is your clavicle, which is attached to your scapula. The scapula has a ridge on it that we call the spine of the scapula. Your scapula attaches to your clavicle attaches to your sternum. Your sternum holds the pairs of ribs that attach to it. You have 12 pairs of ribs, 10 pairs are attached to your sternum. Or you have 12 pairs of ribs and 2 pairs of ribs are floating. That brings us to the humerus. The humerus is the proximal bone in your arm. Your distal arm has on the thumb side the radius, pinky side ulna. Your hand bones, the wrist bones are the carpals, the hand bones are the metacarpals, and your finger bones are phalanges. That's it. That's the bones in the circulatory massage class. Just keep repeating this until you get it. Call us, write us, let us know how we can help you. We can't wait to have you in-person classes as soon as possible. But in the meantime, learn your bones.